Nova the Curious Guide explains the science of sneezes and why our noses squirm when irritants appear. She compares the nose to a vigilant bouncer, with mucus as a co-check and tiny hairs as security guards catching particles. When a germ sneaks in, cells release signals and white blood cells rush in like firefighters clearing the path. Interactive moment, viewers guess if a sneeze can reach the wall, then learn about air speed and reflexes. The episode ends with simple tips to stay healthy like washing hands and staying hydrated, turning everyday habits into science magic.